Welcome students. I am Uppal Adhikari, Assistant Maths Teacher of Bardhan Model School. Today I will take class 8, chapter number 2, and we will solve the sums of exercise 2.5. In the previous video, we have solved 2.4 exercise of 2.4 and one sums of exercise 2.5. Today we will start from sum number 2 of exercise 2.5. Okay. So first sum in this exercise, some equations are given. We have to solve. Okay. That is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. First we should do LCM of 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6 LCM. Okay. That is 12. That is 12. 12 is the LCM. Now 12 divided by 2, that is 6. It will be 6n minus 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 3 into 3n, that is 9n plus 6 by 12 by 6, that is 2. 2 into 5n, that is 10n equal to 21, or 6n minus 9n plus 10n, that is n by 12 equal to 21, or 6n plus n, that is 7n by 12 equal to 21. Now, or 12 divided, if I am transposing the 12 in the right hand side, then it will be multiplication with 21, that is 7n equal to 21 into 12, or 7 is multiplied with n, right? In the right hand side it will be divide form, that is 12 by 7. So 36 is the value of n, or solution of this equation is 36. Okay. Now moving on, question number 3, that is question number 2. Now question number 3. Okay. That is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to minus 17 by 6 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. 5x by 2. As we know that if in the equation both sides have variable, we should bring all the variable in the left hand side and all the constant term on the right hand side. So x minus 8x by 3, this is the variable part, so it should bring in the left hand side. So plus 5x by 2 equal to 17 by 6 plus 7. If I change this plus side, change its side, then the plus 7 in the right hand side it will be minus, that is minus 7. Okay, 7 means 7 by 1. Any number that is 8 means 8 by 1. Okay. You know the rational number p by q form. 8 is a rational number, that's why we can write 8 equal to 8 by 1. Now, what is the LCM of 1, 3 and 2? 1, 3 and 2. 3 and 2 are the co-prime numbers. So LCM of 3 and 2, that is product of these two numbers. So 6 by 1, 6x minus 6 2, that is 16x plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 into 5, that is 15x. And in this side 6 and 1 LCM 6. 17 minus 6 divided by 1, 6 divided by 1, that is 6. 6 into 7, that is 42. Now 6x minus 16x plus 15x, that is minus x by 6. 17 minus 42, that is 42, 17. That is 25. That is minus 25, because between these two 42 is the greater number and its sign is minus. That's why minus is over in here. So minus 6. Now both side in the new denominator it has 6. Both side in the denominator it has 6. So we can eliminate that 6. Okay. Now 6x minus x, that is 5x. 5x equals to minus 25, or x equal to minus 25 by 5, that is minus 5. So minus 5 is the solution of the given equation. Minus 5 is the solution of the given equation 3. Okay, just copy it. After that we will start sum number 4. Okay, so question number 4, that is x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5. Okay, this type of, for solving this type of sums, student, you have to learn a process, that is cross multiplication. What is cross multiplication? Cross multiplication means if a by b equal to c by d, if any equation is given in that form, then it is a into d equal to b into c. That is called cross multiplication. That is called cross multiplication. For an example, 6 by 4 equal to 2 by 1 by 8. Okay, that is x into 8, 8x, and 4 into 1, 4. So x equal to 4 by 8. Using this called cross multiplication method, we will solve these sums. Okay. So according to the rule of cross multiplication, it will be 5 into x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 3. Okay, 5 into x, 5x, plus minus minus 5 into 5, 25. 3 into x, 3x, plus minus minus 3 into 3, 9. Now move this 3x in this side. 3x, sign of this 3x, that is plus. In this side it will be minus 5x minus 3x. Okay. Now in the right hand side, that is minus 2. Now minus 25, change its side. In this side, that is right hand side, it will be plus 25, or 2x equal to 16, 2x equal to 16, x equal to 8. It is the solution, x equal to 8, it is the solution of this equation. Okay, that is x equal to 8. Now move on, question number 5. Question number 5. That is 3t minus 4, 3t minus 2 by 4, minus 2t plus 3 by 3, 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 3. Solve this equation. Okay. First of all, gather all the variable in one side. Actually, in this side it is minus 2. Move into this side. That is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 and plus t equal to 2 by 3. Okay. T means t by 1. Now 4, 3 and 1. What is the LCM of 4, 3 and 1? That is 4, 3, 1. But 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers. So that LCM of these two must be multiplication of these two numbers. That is 12. 12 is the LCM. And here 2 by 3. Now 12 divided by 4. 3. 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 12 divided by 4, that is 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 4 into 2t plus 3 and 12 divided by 1, 1. 12 divided by 1, that is 12. So 12 into t, that is 12t, or 3 into 3t, that is 9t, minus 6 minus 4 into 2t, that is 8t minus 12 plus 12t by 12 equal to 2 by 3, equal to 2 by 3. Now 90 minus 80, but 90 minus 80, that is t plus 12t minus 6 minus 12, minus 6 minus 12, minus 6 minus 12, same sign, it will be addition, that is minus 18. So minus 18 by 12 by 2 by 3. Next 13t minus 18 by 12 equal to 2 by 3. Now student, I am reasoning that first two lines, okay. That 13t minus 18 by 12 by 2 by 3, we should use the cross multiplication. We have learned this sometimes ago, that is 3 into 13t minus 18 equal to 12 into 2. So 3 into 13t, that is 39t minus 54 equal to 24. Okay, now 39t, 54 in this side, it will be plus 4, that is plus 54. Now 39t equal to 87 or t equal to 78 by 39. So that should be reduced by 2. So t equal to 2. T equal to 2 is the answer. T equal to 2 is the answer of the given equation of 5. So solution of the equation, that is t equal to 2. Just copy it, that sum number 5. Okay. So question number 6, that is a minus 1 by 2 equal to a minus 1 minus a minus 2b. That variable part, bring into this side, it will be plus, it is minus and plus. Now 1, 2, 3, LCM 6. 6 divided by 1, 6 divided by 1, that is 6, 6 into m, 6 m. 6 divided by 2, that is 3, 3 into m minus 1. 6 divided by 3, that is 2, 2 into m minus 2, and 1 is 1 by 1. Now 6m, 3 into m, that is minus 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 by 6 equal to 1 minus 1. 6m minus 3m, that is 6m minus 3m plus 2m, that is 6m plus 2m, 8m, 8m minus 3m, that is 5m. So 5m plus 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 1. Now we should use cross multiplication method, that is 5m into 5m minus 1 into 1, that is 5m minus 1, and 6 into 1, that is 6. 5m equal to 6 plus 1. Okay, I am doing this part in this place, that is 5m, or 5m equal to 7, m equal to 7 by 5. Okay, m equal to 7 by 5 is the answer. So the solution of the given equation 6 is 7 by 5. Just copy it, student. Okay, moving in the question 7, that is 3t minus 3 equal to 5, 2t plus 1, that is the sum number 7. Okay, t into 3, that is 3t minus 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 2t, 10t plus 5 bring this 10t or transpose this 10t in the left hand side, that is plus sign, it will be in minus sign. 10t. 5 minus 9 in this side, it will be plus 9. Now 3t minus 10t. 3t minus opposite side, it will be subtraction. 70 as 10 between 3t and 10t. 10 is the greater number, that's why minus 70. Minus 7t, and 5 plus 7, that is 5 plus 9, that is 40. T equal to 14. Now 7 minus 7 into t, in this side it will be a denominator of 40, that is minus 2. That is minus 2. So minus 2 is the solution of the equation 7. Okay, students, in this video we have solved question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and the next video we will try to solve the next 5 or 6 sums. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of Bardhan Model School. Thank you.